I'm talking about my 101 course. It's a 3 hour course happening in Manhattan. I expect you to look at some of my Udemy courses before coming to the class. We extensively use the best practices in terms of using GitHub, in terms of using Slack, in terms of using cloud. To make our journey easy, we have an online support team that's going to help you set up the infrastructure before I see you in the class so that everything is set up. And after the 3 hours in the class, you get a 3 hours of support from my online team as well, which will help you to answer your queries or if some of your coding is not working. Most of my classes happen in Manhattan, in Upper East, or sometimes in downtown Manhattan. Uh, my batch size are generally low, 2 to 3 people most of the time. Many times it's just one. So this is the structure of my 101 course. If you have any question, feel free to send me an email or text, and I'm going to get back with you.